So we've got what we need, 96mm PCD. There's 8 holes and they're 8.2mm diameter holes. So we're on mastercam. We come up to here, circle. We got radius or diameter. We'll go diameter. So we've got 96mm PCD is what the holes are. So we go 96. There's a 96mm circle. We can double check that by going up to Analyze, Properties, click on the circle, and it comes up with this screen here. And if you look just there, 96, see? 96mm diameter. So we know that's a 96mm diameter, and it's in the center of the origin. See those brown lines there? That's the origin. We always want everything to be in the center. Then we go circle, diameter, and now we want to do 8 holes. So they need to be 8.2mm. So we go 8.2, 8.2 diameter, enter, and there's the circle. You see, I can put the circle anywhere. So we put the circle right up there, right, it snaps into that place. You see how it snaps in to where that origin line is? So it's right at top dead center, snaps in. So that is on the PCD, that circle. Now, we want 8 of them. So we click the circle and we come up to here, and we have this option up here called rotate. X form, rotate. So we click that, and it says up here, how many do you want? Well, we've got one of them, so we just need 7 more. So we go 7. Down here, we go 360 degrees divided by 8, bang, 45 degrees. Yep. And that's the PCD, and that's the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have 8 circles on a 96mm PCD, and we can just go Analyze Properties and just check. Yeah, 8.2. The PCD is 96. So we can get rid of the PCD, delete. We don't need that there anymore. And there's the circles that we're going to drill into the cover plate of the BMW diff. So we can go File, Save As, and we'll call it BMW Power Lock LSD cover plate holes. That'll do. So now we've got it saved. I need to stand. Holding this phone's hurting my shoulder. Then machine type, we're going to use a mill. We select a mill, and it comes up with this stuff over here, like the tool settings and all that shit. Now we want to go tool path. We want to drill, and we'll start at this one. So we drill in the center. That one. 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 There we go. Yep. And then it comes up this screen. We want to drill all them holes with helix bore. See how it gets an end mill and it rotates around. So if we got an 8mm end mill, because there's 8 holes and they're 8.2mm holes. So the diameter of the holes is 8.2. So if we get an 8mm end mill, it'll come in and just come around like that slowly as it goes down to make 8.2. So we can do that. So we go filter, we'll just have end mills on. Get an 8mm end mill. Yep. We just type there 8mm end mill. And we can make it tool. Oh, I don't know. Let's make it tool 11. So feed rate, geez, we probably want like 100, and we can change it on the screen, can't we? On the controls of this machine. 100. Spindle speed, I don't know, 1500 maybe. Well, let's go 1700. 1700 revs. It's pretty tough material. Might have to put that down. Now, it's only doing a little bit, isn't it? That'll do 3mm. Every time it goes around in circles, the bloody end mill, it'll go down 3mm deep. It's got 3mm pitch. Then we'll have the clearance, 25 will feed from 1mm. The depth minus, how deep do we want to go? I don't know yet. Let's just go 10mm for now. And we go, okay. So if we run the back plot, we can see we'll just move it around. And let's go play. It's going to come down. And it does it so quick you can't even see it. Let's just slow that down. See that how it moved around? Let's just make the pitch so you guys can see. Let's make it a 1mm pitch so it's a bit more of a, so you can see it a bit better. Play. So it comes down, yeah, and watch what it does. The end mill. 8mm end mill making 8.2. See how it sort of goes around like that? Let's just watch it again. Super slow. We'll make it super slow. See how it's going. Doot, 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 doot. To make it 8.2. If you zoom in, you can see how the tool took that path. Man, phone holder. Do I have one? Fucking hell, I used to have one here. Anyway. Yeah, so it does that. It goes around, makes 8.2. And then if we just go to this and this, go yes, that'll do. And then we have our program that the machine reads all these codes. The machine will read and do exactly what we've just drawn. Yep. That's how you do it on mastercam. Pretty easy.